Welcome back, folks. Check out this truck. We just took this one in. It's a 2009 F-150. It's an XLT crew with a 6.5 box, trailer tow pack, 20-inch Ford wheels, power adjustable pedals, windows locks, tilt cruise, CD, sync technology with streaming audio and hands-free Bluetooth calling. Got a tailgate step on her, nice and solid. 5.4 Triton V8 motor with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And I'm going to tell you, folks, 87,000 miles on this 09. This truck runs, drives, and looks like a new one for a third of the price. Not even. Guaranteed credit approval in full effect. Starting down payment, we're going to do $12.95 on this rig. DasCleveland.com.